So we are back with the last segment of the day. So we're gonna do a lemon cake with some banana pudding inside of it, and then we're gonna do a strawberry cream frosting with a little bit of coconut on top. So that's my dad's favorite. It's a coconut cake. So we're just doing a little twist on it today. And this is Duncan Hines. And it is a moisture lemon cake. Super moist. But we about to make it even more moist. Now we're just going to take the banana cream. And this is Jell-O. We're not going to make the Jell-O, but we're going to put it inside of it. And you're going to see exactly how it give it that light, fluffy, Jell-O type moisture. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put 3 eggs in here. I'm going to use these boxes, my little egg trash can. Alright. Now we're going to put 1 cup of pet milk. 1.5 cup of oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. This is 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, not vanilla, but lemon extract, and then another teaspoon of banana extract as well. So we got both of them combined in here. All right, and we're gonna get it mixing. Now when you first start out, you want to start out on 1, so none of the stuff will be flying out the bowl. Now you go ahead and up it to 4. Now we're going to blend this until it is nice and fluffy. And everything is blended through. Okay, slowly but surely I'm going to finish adding some more pet milk. I mean, you can smell the banana and lemon. I'm going to add some more. And it has that nice whipped consistency that I'm looking for. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go around the bowls with my rubber spatula to make sure that we're not leaving any flavors or anything like that on the side. Now I told you guys before that cooking is 90% taste. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to scrape the bowl on the sides to make sure that we got all the flavorings in the batter and that there's nothing loose. That's left. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and see where we're at. This is the old school bundt pan. I already have it greased and I put a little bit of flour, went around it like this, and make sure that all the flour and all that stuff is around it and it won't stick. Now with these bundt pans, you do have to put it in evenly. That's the only thing with these bundt pans. Gotta put it in even. I'm just gonna rest this on here. Make sure I'm getting all the cake mix. Okay, with these bundt pans, you gotta shake it out. Now that we got this bundt pan nice and shaped out, everything is even. We're gonna put it in the oven for 350. We are on the last step of making this cake. So I have some Duncan Hines cream cheese frosting. So this is how we're gonna make the strawberry frosting. And this is gonna be homemade. this whole thing in here because we're gonna whip it up. All right. Now that we got this out the way, so this is some vanilla flavoring and strawberry extract. Okay, so we're gonna get this whipped really good, and then we're gonna add the strawberry coconut. So we got that whipped pretty nice for the frosting. We're gonna go ahead, scrape these sides, make sure we got all the flavoring in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the strawberry pastry filling. Now this is what's gonna give it that 1-2 hitter punch. That's right here. Go ahead and put my lid back on. And we're gonna mix this in. All right, you guys, we got this nice and whipped, really light. I'm gonna go ahead and use this, rub the spatula, scrape around the edges, make sure all the flavoring is nice and through, that we're not missing anything. All right, we are finished with this piece. So we're just waiting. We got like another 10 minutes on the pot, on the cake, and we'll be ready to frost it after it cool down.